Got an interesting question from one of the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs all about finding great suppliers for their particular product. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about using Alibaba to find brilliant suppliers. I'm going to give you some crazy tips and also show you different way of using Alibaba that you probably ain't seen before. Now, if you like this kind of information, we're helping you build your own e-commerce business. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know to do more just like this for you. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions for me or comments, comment below and I'm going to answer that personally for you too. With that being said, let's get into it. And the initial supplier, potentially factory, I don't know, but Sam doesn't say anything about that, can't make any alterations, okay? Now, any factory that tells you they can't make alterations is either a trading company or a wholesaler, okay? Because a factory can make at least some alterations, but they may not be able to make this specific alteration that you're interested in, okay? Depending on the sort of factory. But if they can't alter anything, it's either a trading company or a wholesaler, and you're overpaying, okay? So I thought it'd be kind of neat to show you how I go about very, very quickly searching on Alibaba for factories, okay? So at the very, very top up here, look at that. We've got products, manufacturers. Notice the default is products. The default is products, not manufacturers. That ought to tell you a significant amount about who Alibaba is targeting now. It ain't targeting people like you and I. There's a lot more people looking for specific products than people who are looking for factories. And you may think they're the same thing, but they ain't. They ain't. Anyway, so if I look for a product, I'm now looking for my product I want to do is leather dog lead. I don't know, good as anything. And so I can go and look for that. And now what I get showed is lots and lots of leather dog leads. Okay, a lot of these are going to be from trading companies or from wholesalers and things like that. Okay, because I'm searching for a specific product. I'm using my Amazon brain, specific, instead of using my Alibaba product sourcing brain. So when I'm sourcing products, I'm not thinking I want to source a leather dog lead. Actually, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a factory that specializes in leather goods. Okay, big difference between those two things. A factory does not just make leather dog leads. They make all sorts of leather things, and dog leads just happen to be one of those things, okay? So if you search for the factory's specialization, you're much more likely to A, find a factory, and B, find a factory that can then alter things, because not only are they making one product, they're making heaps of products, which means that they can alter your product. Okay, it's just a different way of thinking about this shit. Anyway, so let me see if I can show you. So leather, be great if I could spell, fortunately for me, leather goods manufacturer. Here we go, that'll do. So now I've got a much different search page. I've got a much different search engine results page. Okay, I'm now looking at factories. You can see the difference immediately. So just that one single thing will help you find a factory that specializes in the thing that you're looking for, the material specifically that you're looking for. And also, given that they make other things, leather products in this example, there's a very high likelihood that they will be able to make alterations to the thing you're looking for. If you just do that, you'll find much much better suppliers. Okay, much better suppliers. That was a video from my regular Monday night session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of e-commerce professionals right around the world, making sales on Amazon, on eBay, on Shopify, all sorts of different places, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. There's 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce professionals in Australia right now. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, of course, then get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.